Hi, boys and girls. We are going to be wrapping up our nonfiction unit. So today, in our last assignment for nonfiction unit, we're going to be comparing and contrasting. So what I have up here is a Venn diagram, and you might remember these from school. So the way it works is you pick one topic over here, another topic over here, and you're going to write about all the special features of that topic, and then what they share in the middle. So the outer circles are how they're different, and the middle circle is how they're the same. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to fill this one out by using, again, my topic was elephants. So you might have something different. So for elephants, I pulled up a book on Raz Kids, and I'm just going to go and show you how to fill out the Venn diagram. So I'm looking at the table of contents. It says 2 kinds of elephants on page 7. Those are the 2 things I'm going to be comparing and contrasting. So page 6, page 7. Okay, 2 kinds of elephants. These are African and Asian elephants. African elephants are bigger than Asian elephants. The 2 kinds are different in other ways too. So looking at the picture, I can see that it says that African elephants, they have bigger ears, bigger tusks. Asian elephants have smaller tusks and smaller ears. Okay, let's see what else it says. You can see that the Asian elephants live in this range and the African elephants live over here on this side of the world. So I'm going to pull up my Venn diagram, and it's going to be a little tough to write on my computer, on my end, but it should be easier for you when you do it on Seesaw. So I would write African elephants, because that's what I'm going to be comparing with Asian elephants. Okay, now I'm going to use my resource, my book, to help me. I'm not going to just think of what I think it might be the difference. I need to make sure I know the facts. So again, it says Asian elephants, smaller tusks, smaller ears. African elephant, bigger tusks, bigger ears. Okay, so they are relatively bigger. African elephants, and you can just do bullets, and I would say bigger ears. Another bullet, bigger tusks, right? And then Asian elephants, I would write smaller ears, smaller tusks. Okay, and then in the middle is something that they share. What's the same? Well, they're both elephants, right? And I might have to do some more digging. Maybe there's not enough for me to go off of this resource. I'm going to have to go into the other resources we talked about, maybe Wildcrats, maybe National Geographic. I need one more thing. I have to have at least 2 things that are the same. So that's why we talked about different web resources. I want you to be able to go into those different resources to help you fill out your Venn diagram. Now, I just showed you with elephants. You have all chosen different nonfiction topics. So think about, I know one of you chose the sun. You read about the sun. So you could maybe put the sun and the moon and how they're the same and different. You can compare and contrast maybe the sun and the moon. I know another one of you chose cricket. It's the sport cricket. Maybe you want to compare cricket to a different sport like soccer or football and see if there's any similarities there. So try and find something that might have something in the middle, something that's the same. And then you can have at least 2 facts on each of the circles. All right, can't wait to see how you compare and contrast your nonfiction topic with another nonfiction topic. So very excited to see that.